Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Look Fantastic and Iconic London beauty box. So I'm really excited about this because I really love Iconic London. Their products are great, and also in this video I'm going to be trying them on my face as well. So it's kind of like a little try on beauty box unboxing. So you can see all the products that are in the box in action. So I'm going to just hop right into the unboxing. This is what the box looks like here. It says Look Fantastic X Iconic London and it is worth £126, but it's selling on lookfantastic.com for £40. So it's a really good value box, and along with the box we get the magazine, which tells us all about Iconic London. It also tells about the products that are inside and how to use them, and also how much they're worth. So yeah, it's a really good read. So the first thing we get inside is this, which is the Prep Set Glow face spray. So this I wanted to try for quite a while, and I'm actually so happy to have it now. So this is what it looks like right here, and it has this kind of marbly look. Yeah, this is a lightweight, refreshing and hydrating facial mist. You can use it before you apply your makeup to prep the skin, and you can also apply it after makeup to give you that nice kind of glowy finish. It has antioxidants inside. It also has vitamin E, and it also has green tea in it as well. So very nice kind of healthy ingredients inside this. It's also got cucumber and chamomile in it as well. Yeah, it's just a really nice spray. I've sprayed it on my face and I like the little glow that it's given me. It is a little deluxe mini. It's a 30 ml, but it's a really nice mist. I'll just show you like how it sprays out. It's very kind of fine and it has a good spray on it, which is nice. So yeah, that is the first thing we get, and that is of course a deluxe mini, which is £10. The next thing inside the box is this palette here. So this is it's a Blaze Chaser face palette, and this has 6 velvety face powders inside. So it has like some bronzing shades, or a bronzer shade, and a few kind of highlighting shades and a couple of blush shades. So that's what it looks like right there. So this is a bronzer here, and this is a matte finish, and this is a blush which is a matte finish, and the rest of these ones here are kind of shimmery finishes. So today I used the bronzer because it's matte. I just love a matte bronzer on my face, and this is how it's looking on my cheeks in that, and I actually really like it. It has a real nice kind of depth to the bronzer. You know, it's not like orangey or anything like that. It has more of a kind of cool tone to it, which I love for my complexion. And then I've used this blush today because it's also a matte blush, and I just like prefer like a subtle matte blush on my cheeks, and this is just the perfect shade. It's not too peach and it's not too pink, you know, it has that perfect amount of like two-tone to it there, if you know what I mean, like pink and peach, and it's just, yeah, really nice. So I'm liking that shade. I like how it looks. Like I only have a tiny bit on because I don't like a lot of blush. You know, I love loads of bronzer. I don't like a lot of blush, so I've only applied a little bit of this. But I love these two. These two are great matte finish powders. And then these ones here I haven't tried yet, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch them on my finger here to show you. So they're very kind of, by looking at them, metallic-y. Well, these two here feel really metallic-y when I swatch them, and then the other two are a little bit lighter, a bit more kind of just shimmery. So this one and this one is a little bit lighter, but the other two here feel a little bit more metallic-y. I will just swatch them. So that's the lighter one, also a lighter one. I don't even know if you can see these actually on my hand. Yeah, they're not the best of swatches there, but as you can see, the other two are a little bit lighter, and these two are a little bit kind of deeper, so they're a bit more, you know, they have a little bit more of a grip to it when I swatched them there, and they're not as powdery, so they're a little bit more kind of foily or metallic, as you would say, a wee bit thicker in formula, which is nice. You know, you're going to get good colour payoff from them. I'll just swatch the matte bronzer, but of course I'll show you in a little demo of me applying it. But that's a bronzer, as you can see, really pigmented in a lovely cool tone shade. And then the nice kind of salmony pinky peach blush, which is the matte finish one. is that one right there. So yeah, I just love those two shades. The finish is great on them and they just look really nice on the cheeks. So yeah, I'm really impressed with the two matte powders in here. I've not tried these ones yet, but I'm looking forward to trying them at some point. This shade would have been quite nice to highlight the inner corner of my eyes there, but I didn't want to go for gold today. You know, I wanted to keep it a little bit more subtle. So yeah, I like these two shades that I've tried so far in the palette, really nice, very impressed with those. So that of course is full size and it's £45. So we also have another eyeshadow palette in the box and it's this one here. It's the soft and smoky eyeshadow palette, which looks like that inside. So it says that this palette has a few shades from the bigger Iconic London palette, which I have, and I'll compare them in a minute for you because they're actually different. You know, the shades are different and the formula is different as well, but this is the shades inside this palette here, and I love this little combo. It's just like, or this little quad should I say, like they are just really nice, kind of everyday wearable, kind of subtle neutral shades, which yeah, I just personally love for every day. Of course I have this on my eyes and I just like the kind of subtle look that it gives. And yeah, so let me just kind of like describe these to you here. So we have a few mattes. We have two mattes in the palette, which are these two shades here, and obviously these two here are more kind of shimmer metallics. According to the info, this shade, which is Marshmallow, this one, which is Taupe de Taupe, and Bronze Bay, these three shades are actually shades from the bigger palette, and this shade Toasted is new, like, or at least it's not in the other palette. So I'll show you the other bigger palette. This is the big one here, and this is the Day to Slay palette, and that's the shades inside. So this one here, which is Marshmallow, this one is Taupe de Taupe, and this is Bronze Bay, and I don't see Toasted in here, so yeah, I think it might be a new shade or maybe from one of the other palettes. But anyway, I swatched a couple of the shades, like the three shades on my hands compared to these ones, and the shades are different and also the formula is different as well. So the formula is a bit more richer in the bigger palette than it is in this little mini one here. So let me just show you, like, I'll take Bronze Bay, which is this one, and I will just apply it right here. So that's it right there, nice kind of metallic-y bronzy gold colour. And then we'll take Bronze Bay from this palette, and you can feel when you're just kind of like swatching it from the pan that they feel a bit different. That's Bronze Bay there. So as you can see, the one from the mini palette is a little bit darker, a bit more bronzy, and the one from the larger Day to Slay palette is a little bit more goldeny. But yeah, the formula is, I would say these two are a little bit similar in formula, but as you can see, the shades are a little bit different, so not completely the same. And then we have Marshmallow here, which in the big palette looks a little bit more pinky, so I'll swatch it there, and then we'll take it from the little small one. That's it there. So yeah, the one in, I would say, the bigger pan, which is the bigger palette, which is this one here, is a little bit pinkier, and the one from the mini palette is a little bit more whiter. So yeah, but the formula of them is, I would say, quite similar, but not completely. And then we have Taupe de Taupe, which is this one. I'll swatch it right here. That's it. And then we'll take Taupe de Taupe from the bigger palette, which is this one right here. Yeah, the one from the bigger palette is a little bit warmer than the one from the mini palette is a little bit cooler, as you can see. So yeah, there is a slight difference in the shades from the palette, sorry, even though it says they're kind of like taken couple from them, but they are slightly different, and the formula is just a little bit different as well in them. And then we have this new shade, or at least a shade that's not in the big palette, called Toasted, which is a gorgeous shade. I actually quite like this shade. That's it right there. Very, very pigmented. I have this on my lid. I did use a brush to apply this on my lid today though, but you could definitely go in with your finger, and I feel like sweeping that over the lid would give you like a really gorgeous metallic finish, because as you can see that's super pigmented, but not as pigmented on my lids because I use like a like kind of blending brush to just pat it on. But yeah, your finger would be great for that right over the lid. Yeah, so the formula of the little mini palette is lovely, but I just wanted to point out that the shades are just slightly different. So that is the little mini deluxe size palette called Soft and Smoky, and that is £15. Okay, so next thing we get inside the box is this mascara here. This is the Triple Threat Mascara. That's it right there. And this mascara is actually really lovely. Like, I like the wand on it. Like, that's it right there. So as you can see, it's a very kind of skinny wand with really kind of small bristles on it. And it reminds me of the L'Oreal Telescopic. Like, I would say Telescopic is probably a little bit thinner again, and the bristles are maybe a bit more spaced out, but it's a really nice kind of small wand, and I like it. It really kind of catches all my lashes. I like how it's given my lashes a nice bit of volume and a nice bit of length. I don't have the best of lashes, and a lot of mascaras just perform the same for me really, but this one has given just a little bit extra something which I like. And yeah, it was really nice and easy to coat my lashes with the brush or the wand, because it is really kind of thin, and I do have quite small eyes and lashes as it is, so it was really easy for me to apply a mascara. So I do like this. It is called the Triple Threat Mascara, so I assume, let me just see, that it's going to give us 3 times more of something. So I see the Ultra Black Stunning Weightless Formula that volumizes, lengthens and lifts lashes all day and well into the night for a dramatic fluttery look. So yeah, I'm liking this mascara, and of course it is a full size and it is £19. Okay, so the next thing inside the box is the Plumping Lip Gloss, which is in the shade Feeling It, and that's what it looks like right there. So I love this kind of shade on my lips. It's a shade that I tend to wear all the time, so I'm very happy for the shade. And yeah, it is a plumping gloss, so you know, it gives us a little bit more of a pout. It says a non-sticky gloss with a high shine formula, and it's infused with a biomimetic peptide which helps to support the natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. Okay, so as you can see, I have it on my lips today, and you can feel the kind of plumpy tingliness when you apply it, but it's not uncomfortable at all. Like, it's barely there. It just feels like, you know, like a little bit of a kind of minty sting, but not a sting, but just like a little tingle. Just a little mini minty tingle. Yeah, that's what it has to it. So it's comfortable to wear. So as you can see, it is quite a sheer lip gloss. It's not like super opaque. I do love glosses that are very, very opaque, but this is a little bit more sheerer, so you know, I have to apply a few times, you know, to build up the colour. Yeah, it has a nice shine to it, nice glossy look to it, which I like. So yeah, I love the colour, like how high shine it is, I like how it feels, and yeah, it's just really, really nice. I'm happy for that. I've always wanted to try one of the plumping glosses from Iconic London, so happy with that, and like the perfect shade. Amazing. I'll give it a little swatch on the back of my hand here, but you guys can see that's right there. My hand is covered in swatches now, but yeah, you get the gist of it on my lips there. But yeah, so that is of course full size, which I'm so happy about, and that is £19. Okay, so the next thing we get inside is this sheer blush. So this is the only thing in the box that I haven't tried out on my cheeks yet. Because I applied the blush from the palette, I just didn't bother going ahead and applying this one. But what I'm going to do is swatch it on my hand for you. So this is it right here. Really cute packaging for this, and it's in the shade Rose Riot. I think this may have a kind of matte finish to the blush, which of course I'm going to absolutely love. I'm just going to check it up first. So it says, make your glow pop with the ultimate complexion pick-me-up, formulated with a plant extract known for its anti-pollution benefits. Our water-rich sheer blush melts into the skin, giving cheeks and lips a beautiful veil of soft focus colour. Sounds lovely. I'm just going to give it a little swatch on my hand here. So really nice, pretty colour actually, like that. I'm just going to tap it in. Yeah, this is what I like about this. It really kind of melts into the skin and it gets a little bit sheerer as you kind of blend it in. I'm just going to swatch it here also because I think it'll be better for you guys to see rather than the way down the bottom of my arm or down the bottom of my hand. So that's it right there. So it has a really nice kind of pinky flush to it, and like I said, I love that it just diffuses into the skin, you know, like, yeah, it's like a blush that's quite subtle and barely there, but you can still see it, if that makes sense. So it just looks super natural on the cheeks. So yeah, I'm looking forward to applying this on my cheeks now, but I'm not going to do it today or just now because I have powder blush and powder bronzer on, so I feel like if I apply this, which is a water-based product, on top, it might start to cause patches, you know, on my cheeks. So it would be best to apply this when I've just applied like my liquid foundation. So I'm looking forward to doing that. This is a full size blush. It's in the shade Rose Riot and it is £18. Yeah, so that is everything inside this limited edition box, and I'm so happy that it is a makeup collab. So Iconic London, again, one of my favourite brands, and I just love like these products in here. Like, I'm being so impressed with the ones that I've used so far. Like, I've used 5 out of the 6, and yeah, I'm just really happy with them. I really can't pick a favourite product from this box because I really do like everything. So yeah, I'm just excited to use everything more, and of course I love how this look has turned out as well. I really hope you liked this try on unboxing, and of course if you're interested in the beauty box, I will leave a link to it down below in the description box for you. Again, it's worth £126, but Look Fantastic are selling it right now for £40, so I will leave that link in the description box for you. And yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked and enjoyed. If you did, please get a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button just down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye!